And welcome to another episode of Travel Chef, and today we're going to make is banana rice balls. This is a quick and easy snack that can be made. So let's see how's it done. So come on along with us and let's enjoy making this banana rice balls together. To make a banana rice ball recipe, we need 3 bananas that is ripened. We have now cut the bananas into 2 halves. Also, we have made small slits in the bananas so that it can cook nicely. We place the cut bananas in a steamer and then we cook it for 10 minutes. Now we close our steamer and we wait for the bananas to cook for 10 minutes. Now it is 10 minutes. We need to check whether the bananas are cooked. For this we open our steamer. Our bananas are finally cooked. We need to transfer these ingredients onto a plate after switching off the stove. We have placed now the cooked bananas onto a plate and we wait for it to cool down before proceeding with the next step. As the bananas cool down, we need to grind some sugar simultaneously. We need to powder the sugar. So we take 3 teaspoons of sugar, place it in a mixer bowl before we grind it into a powder. To the ingredients of sugar, we need to add 2 cardamom seeds. Now the bananas are cooled down. Next we need to slit the bananas and also remove the center portion or the seeds that is in the center of the banana. We have now removed the center portion or the seeds of the bananas. Next we need to place these bananas in a mixer bowl. Next we add 2 tablespoons of water. We need to cover the mixer bowl and then grind these bananas into a fine paste. Now the bananas is finely ground into a paste. Next we need to add the powdered sugar. After adding the ground sugar, we need to add a little salt. This will help to balance the taste. The next we add 1 cup of rice powder. Mix all the ingredients together. We thoroughly mix all these ingredients together to make it a fine dough. Now the dough is ready. Next we need to add some coconut, which is optional. Also, adding coconut will really enhance the taste. Now all the ingredients are mixed well with the dough. Next we need to make it into small balls before we start steaming it. We begin rolling the dough into small balls and we start placing it on a plate. Let's not place all the balls together, else they might get stuck. Now we have rolled all the dough into small balls. Next we need to proceed with the steaming process. Before placing the banana balls into the steamer, we need to take a plate and grease it a bit so that the balls do not stick onto the plate. We slowly start placing the banana balls one by one onto the plate. While placing the banana balls, please ensure that they do not stick together. There should be a little space between each of the balls placed. We need to cook the banana balls for another 5 to 6 minutes. 5 to 6 minutes we are using this time is because the banana is already cooked. Now only we need to wait for the rice powder to get cooked. We have covered the steamer and let the banana balls cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Now it is 5 to 6 minutes. Next we need to check whether the banana balls are cooked. The banana balls are now cooked. We can switch off the stove and transfer all these banana balls into a plate. As you place the banana balls into a plate, please ensure to use tongs. Our banana balls are ready to be served, and this is a very good snack. Do try out this recipe at home. Well, we hope you liked watching our video, and we request you to like, share and comment on our channel. If you find making this banana rice ball recipe a simple snack, quick and easy, please share it with your friends. Also, they too can try this recipe too. Kids also will love this taste of bananas. This banana rice ball recipe has come out great for you. Please enter that in the comment section below. This will really give us a boost. This will really help us to find out new recipes and improve our programming content too with newer videos. So, if you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up. Please share our videos. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notification of our videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel too. Well, until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye-bye from the Travel Chef team. Take care.